A major legal blow has struck former President Donald Trump's latest attempt to send National Guard troops into Portland, Oregon. A federal judge on Saturday issued a sweeping restraining order, blocking Trump's plan to federalize Oregon's National Guard forces. The decision followed a joint lawsuit filed by the state of Oregon, the city of Portland, and later joined by California, arguing that Trump's order violated both state sovereignty and the constitutional limits of presidential power. U.S. District Judge Karen Immergut, herself a Trump appointee, wrote that the administration failed to present evidence of large-scale violence or rebellion that would justify military intervention. She said the president's order appears untethered from the factual circumstances on the ground, adding that the U.S. is a nation of constitutional law, not martial law. The ruling immediately halted all federalization plans, though the Trump administration vowed to appeal to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. The White House had announced last week that 200 members of Oregon's National Guard would be federalized to protect federal property in Portland amid ongoing protests. President Trump described Portland as a war-ravaged city, a claim that Oregon officials and local leaders called ridiculous and disconnected from reality. State and city attorneys argued that most demonstrations were peaceful and localized and did not require military intervention. Meanwhile, protests flared across multiple cities, including Chicago, where a federal agent shot a woman during a traffic stop, an incident that further inflamed tensions. The Department of Homeland Security said the shooting was under investigation, but local leaders accused federal forces of escalating conflicts and spreading misinformation. Legal experts say the Oregon ruling could set a major precedent, reaffirming the limits of presidential authority in using federal troops on U.S. soil without state consent. Oregon Attorney General Dan Rayfield called the court's decision a victory for the Constitution, saying, "Portland is not the president's war-torn fantasy. Our National Guard is not his political toy." This is not the first time Trump has faced backlash for domestic troop deployments. In 2020, he sent federal agents into Portland and other cities during the George Floyd protests, leading to violent clashes and multiple lawsuits. The new case signals a renewed showdown between state and federal powers, and a growing test of how far a president can go in using military force within America's own borders. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.